Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Told you I wasn't a quitter. So my dog kind of saw me recording yesterday and now he wants to be like right there every time I record. Anyways, aside from that, so today is a pretty gloomy day, so you can tell how the mood is gonna be because it's rainy. Yeah, I was pretty happy for like a rainy day, but whatever.
To the 9 o'clock news, today we have 100% rain.
So I just got called into work earlier than I was supposed to go, so now I have to like run and do everything right now. Okay, so I'm kind of curious. So if you brush your teeth in the shower in the morning, give this video a thumbs up. So since I kind of had to rush into everything, this is what I wear to work. Obviously I don't go barefoot, but I'm gonna put my shoes on. I honestly hate rainy days because I hate using umbrellas. Now that I'm editing this video, I found the perfect video as to why I hate umbrellas. The worst thing about this whole thing is that there's wind and it keeps pushing my freaking umbrella.
Making my way to the car, walking fast cause I'm getting wetter.
Super annoying rain, that's Megan, and fun. So I'm currently debating what I'm gonna eat for lunch. My girl Megan just went to go get lunch, but I have to text her and I'm like, what do I do?
And as we can all see, we went with Taco Bell because,
Okay guys, so we're here and we're really bored working, so this is Lily, Megan, and Josh.
We're not bored.
We're not bored. I just finished work and guess what? It's still raining. What a nice day. So I got home, I ate. This rain has literally messed up my whole day. I haven't done anything. I've been home laying down trying to edit this video, and I am doing like little polls on Instagram to see what I should do for my video next week, because I'm not gonna be posting every day because that's pretty annoying, but I'm trying to do a fun video for next week, and depending on what people tell me, it's what I'm going to do, or at least try to do. But other than that, thank you for coming back. Please subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.